Hi guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Welcome to OMAH'S TV. If this is your first time joining us here, you are the right place for all BBN updates, lifestyle vlogs, other Obonga entertainment to read. Please consider tapping on the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I drop another video, okay? So guys, these two lovely birds attended a movie premiere together last night. Titled Elesinoba Exclusive, premiered by Mo Abudu. This really caused reactions from viewers, fans saying, why is it that Bella and Sheggz always attend the same event? These were the only two bbnaija levelup housemates that were present at this movie premiere last night. So this really stirred reactions online, people saying these two always attend the same events together and are also absent in the same event. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, Bella was looking all gorgeous last night and her outfit was from our big African designer Larry da Silva Ajayi. She was looking all gorgeous. Don't forget, the other day Bella and her sis were seen at the designer shop and we knew something was cooking, guys. So here's the beautiful outfit, here's the outcome. How do you rate this, guys? In a scale of 1 to 10, drop in the comment section. Let me know. Do you think this dress is lovely? Do you think it's super gorgeous? Just let me know in the comment section, okay? Meanwhile, our big SHEGGZ aka Mr. Ikoyi was looking super cute last night. Trust big SHEGGZ now. SHEGGZ not they carry last. This outfit was from Dominican styles, guys. SHEGGZ was looking all cute in his traditional attire. I just hope to be seeing these two on this attire frequently because they really look gorgeous on it, okay? How do you rate Papa's dressing on a scale of 1 to 10? Drop in the comment section. Let's know. Do you think SHEGGZ is looking all cute? Do you think the outfit was dope? Or just let me know in the comment section. Moving over to Bella's big sister, Sandra with the body. Guys, she was looking stunning last night with all her body assets. Sandra is just so beautiful and her dress was also made by Larry da Silva. Don't forget, she and Bella went it together. So fans said Bella came with her sister just to confuse them, that Bella always attends same events with SHEGGZ and is always absent from any event SHEGGZ doesn't attend as well. So they said Bella came with her sister just so we think they both came together. And why is it that they were the only bbnaija levelup housemates that were present at this movie premiere? Guys, do you think this is true? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Oh my lovely people, this is the update I brought for you guys. Hope you found this interesting. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up, okay? If you love Bella and SHEGGZ outfit, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a first timer here, you haven't tapped on the subscribe button, please do that. Turn on the notification bell icon so you always get notified whenever I drop a new video here on my channel, okay? You guys should leave a comment. Let me know how you think about their outfit and this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.